how to add discount codes or coupons on Shop app. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add your unique code that you have a coupon or even a discount code for you to be able to apply it. So, of course, the very first thing that you're going to have to do is go into our payment tab. So, say, for example, I'm going to be choosing a random product right here. Say this one. And then if you go ahead and click on buy now, of course, you will be redirected into your payment tab. Now, this is going to be the default that you're going to be seeing on screen because I haven't or I have not logged in into my Shop app account. But if you're going to be logging in into your account, you're going to have to see a bit different from what you're currently seeing right here. So just go into discount code or gift card right here and then click on apply. This is where you can also check if the code that you're using is eligible or available or not. Choose on apply and it will automatically be adjusted on the actual price. And that's it. That's how you use a discount code or a coupon code for Shop app.